And let's move on to the next one. So this is question number 3. Journey starts at 2115 and ends 0433 the next day. Find the time in hours and minutes. Now this is given in 24 hours, and what we have to do is to get the time in hours and minutes. From 2400 you subtract 2115. So let me show you that. 2400 2115, what do you get? 10. Okay, that's fair enough, but you don't assume that there is a 9 there, because whenever you are taking 1 out of this 24, you are actually moving 60 minutes. That is the idea behind the subtraction. So clearly for this unit digit, or for this digit over there, 5 is perfectly fine. But over here you have a 6, you don't have a 9 there. It's actually from this value of 6, 1 has been moved out, so you've got a 5 there. So from 5 you take away 1, that would give you 4. So now you got 23 there. So from 3 you take away 1, you get 2. So this is nothing but 2 hours and 45 minutes. So that is the idea of the subtraction that we have performed here. Okay, fair enough. So now you have got 433. So this is given exactly in hours, so we don't need to perform any subtraction from 2400. What we got to do is we have to add 4 hours and 33 minutes directly to this value. So this is going to give you 8 and 7. This is minutes, and 4 and 2, this is hours. But apparently if you see here, you have 78 minutes. Now 78 minutes is rewritten as 60 minutes plus 18 minutes. Now 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour, and you have 18 minutes there. So you can add this 1 to this 6, and that would give you 7 hours. And you can take that 18 and place that over there. So this is going to be 18 minutes. You can either use MTS or MIN. So this can be this is the solution for this question.